election year. 40 elections happen at the same time. The largest Christian nation, the two largest Muslim nations, all at the same time. 40-plus countries, 3.2 billion people will be voting this year. Will be allowed to vote this year. $44 trillion of GDP all this year, right? So we're talking Pakistan, election this year. India, election this year. U.S., election this year. Belgium, I can go on. There's 40 countries, elections this year, right? Yeah. When there is so many, things going on, the people who have had control behind closed doors that we don't know, what do they fear? They fear losing control, okay? And the number one piece amongst all these 40 elections going on around the world, 3.2 billion people potentially voting, the number one domino, not the second domino, the number one domino is a guy named Donald Trump, okay? So if he gets elected, the people who control can't control him.
Correct.
Because a lot of these other guys can be controlled. So for a voter that's sitting there, I looked at Vox, came out and said 55% chance Trump's going to be the president. Vox is not a conservative side. They're